Hey, this is Dan from Ramblin' Ambition, and today we're going to talk about the Dometic Recon 360 degree faucet and the 16-liter high side cooler. If this is something you're interested in, please stick around for the video. So we have 40 gallons of water in the van, have everything plumbed to the sink, and we have a water filter to be able to use the water that's out of that tank for tap water. The issue that we have found is that I, in particular, like to have cold ice water. And if you know about your refrigeration system in the van, you know that you're limited on space. So to keep bottles of water in there, that just takes up a tremendous amount of space. If you're going to be on the road for a while, you need that space for food. So over the July 4th holiday, I was taking a look at some options. Dometic has a lot of remote faucet options, and particularly in their Go series, but I wanted something that could hold ice, that would keep water cool for several days, so that when I wanted something to drink that was cold, I could have cold ice water. And this is the setup that I came up with. What we have is the Dometic Recon 16-liter cooler, which holds about 4.2 gallons of water, and their magnetic based Recon 360 degree faucet. Now everything connects directly to the cooler, and we'll go through the parts right here in a second. All right, so in the kit comes a couple things. So with the Recon faucet, you have a battery, so you have to charge this with the USB-C. It has a USB-C port right in the back. And it comes with some magnetic bases in case you want to attach it to like a countertop or something like this. And it comes with the nylon fill hose that has a quick connect in it. Now the cooler also comes with a couple fittings. So it has a normal stop fitting in it, so that if you're just going to use it as a cooler, you can do that. It has a spout fitting that just screws on, and then you just push this button and it drains kind of like a container full of water. And then it has this fitting, which is what we're going to be using, which the hose clips directly into this, and it pulls the cold water out of the bottom of the cooler. The cool thing about this cooler is that you can use it just to store water, or in our case, you can put ice in it, and this thing will keep ice for several days just by itself. The latches are really nice, and it's got a nice seal that goes around the lid. One of the cool things about this is it's got a nice handle, and these kind of fit together like a magnet, and it gives you something really easy to pick up on, and then they slide right down. So the cool thing about this setup is that the top has a magnetic plate to it, and this has got a magnetic base, and you can see it's right near the edge. It kind of goes away here and then back on the edge, so you can use this as kind of a filling station if you want to. Now it also comes, like I said, with these adhesive plates, so you can put these anywhere to have this kind of affix itself someplace. So we're going to go ahead and get it set up, and I'll show you how all the things work. The first thing we're going to do is just unscrew the normal cap, so it just comes right out. And then we're going to take our cap with the fitting and just screw it right in until it's tight. So we're going to take our nylon hose out. This hose is about 2.5 feet long, 3 feet long. And so what it does is it fits just in the back of the faucet itself. And you just push that on. And then this can either be stuck into a water source, so like it can be put into, like you could stick it into a gallon jug, you know, just through the top, and it's going to feed right out. Or in our case, we're just going to fit it in to that and you can hear it click. And now everything is sealed and it's going to pull water directly out of the bottom of it. So for the purpose of the video, we're just going to use our trusty gallon of water to kind of show you how everything works. The nice thing about the 360 faucet is you can completely spin it around. So depending on where your water source is, you can move this so that the tube doesn't kink. And it turns independently without any issue. Now the faucet itself has got a couple nice soft buttons. It is plastic, but it feels really good in your hand. And there is a battery indicator light that's right here that'll come on as soon as we push one of these buttons. And they have a slow feed and a fast feed, and we'll show you what that looks like. So on the slow feed, you'll hear this kind of hum and it's going to prime. And so the light kind of shows you where everything's at. You can kind of see the speed at which it's flowing, and it's a one touch to turn it on, and then a one touch to turn it off. Now on the high speed, it's going to fill about twice as fast. It's going to make a little bit more noise, but it's going to fill about twice as fast. You can see how quickly that goes. So the setup is super easy, and like I said, we're getting it because I want to have cold water. So we'll go ahead and take that cooler. There are some roto molded coolers that do much better than this, but it's going to live inside the van underneath the sink. And so basically we'll fill it with ice, fill it with water, and it's going to be our nice cold refreshing water. We were up in Leadville a couple weeks ago for 4 days, and all the time I hated having a bottle of water that I knew I had to throw out. And so being able to have water that's cold without having to create some trash, I think is a much better option for us. It's also great for car camping and truck camping and overlanding and anything that you want to take water and you want a water pump. Like I said, it charges after a USB-C, and it's got a pretty good battery in it, which will last you quite a while. All right, so that was our Dometic Recon and Recon 360 faucet setup that's going to provide us with some nice ice cold water during our trips without having to buy bottles of water that then creates more trash. And I think it's going to be handy for us. And then if we don't need the water for whatever, we have another cooler option to store other things. It's got a good form factor, it looks good, and it fits perfectly right underneath our sink. So hope you guys got something from the video. Thanks for watching, and this is Dan from Overlanding Ambition. And if you liked the video, give us a big thumbs up, think about subscribing, and we will talk to you later.